Today's tutorial is showing you how to do a forward salto drop from the Rebecca setup. So coming into our foot lock, we're going to bring our opposite fabric into our opposite armpit, reach behind our back, throw the tail across the lap, and now from here we're going to add on an extra wrap. Behind, and then toss it over our shoulder. So the wrap is going over the same shoulder as the foot locked foot. I'm going to squeeze into my armpit here so that I don't lose any tension